The half kneel rotation is a stability balance exercise, and it works everything from the shoulders all the way down to the legs. It's performed in this half kneel position, one knee up, one knee down. And you can see about 90 degrees in this leg and 90 degrees in the back. And you could use either body weight, a dumbbell, or a kettlebell. For the setup, we're going to start in this half kneel position. As I said, one knee up, one knee down, a nice narrow base, because this is working stability. So we want to be a little bit unstable, but balanced. And for balance, I want you to think about your center of gravity. And the center of gravity is just below the belly button. So focus all your weight right here, pretty much at the hips. That's where you want to be. I'm going to use a dumbbell, and I'm going to start with them on my right side. So I'm going to grab the dumbbell by the two ends, like that. And my arms are going to be nice and straight. I'm going to place that weight right on my hip. And once it's there, I'm going to make sure my shoulders are rolled back. Good tall posture as always. Chest up, shoulders back. Chin is tucked. But this time I'm going to keep my eyes on the weight here because I want that head to turn with my shoulders. So from this position, nice straight arms, rotating around and up at the same time. Nice and high, big stretch at the top here. And nice and slow on the way down. I'm going to turn my position around here so you can see the other side. So again, half kneel position, front knee up, rear knee down, grabbing the weight by the heads, right there on the hip. Roll those shoulders back, get that chest nice and tall, chin tucked. I'm going to look down at the weight, straight arms throughout the entire movement as I rotate around, bringing that weight up and back down. For our breathing, we want to breathe throughout the entire exercise because this is a very slow movement. There's no way you're just going to exhale all the way through this. So get those breaths in as you can. Nice, slow, controlled. Keeping those arms nice and straight. Don't bend those elbows. Shoulders back, chest nice and tall.